Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Star Wars retro style wax packs from Cncpt Crdz. Now John over at Cncpt Crdz got in touch with me recently and said that he'd been making these and wanted to send me a set to review, and they've just arrived, and I have to say immediately they are lovely. They've got that sort of retro feel to them. They come in these wax packets that do feel exactly like the wax packets you would have got back in the day if you went to a newsagent's to buy your Star Wars cards. So they have that same nice sort of quality to them, and they have a great weight as well to them, because obviously inside of this there is 9 cards. It's not what you would have got as I say, back at the newsagents when I think you've got 5 or 6 cards and one bit of bubblegum. You get 9 cards in these packs, and John also packed in some bubblegum in the package, so they do have that sort of bubblegummy smell to them. Now these aren't your sort of traditional trading cards. They're not going to look like these old Star Wars cards. These are designed to look like miniature versions of the Kenner card backs that came with every figure. So far there are 2 waves of these cards, and there are 2 packs for each wave. So I have here, this is pack 1A, and on this one we have pack 1B, just like the original cards were sort of numbered. And if we turn them over, you can see that on the back of them there's also another number here that says 7 of 77, because these are limited edition. They're only going to be 77 packs of this first issue released, and I think there's going to be 79 packs of this second issue released. So really what we need to do now is actually open them and see what the cards look like. So I'm going to open each pack in turn, and we'll take a detailed look at what the cards are like, and I'll show you each one individually. Here we have pack 1A, and as I said, these have 9 cards in each. These are wax packs, so I'm hoping that we can open them without damaging the packet, because that's half the fun, is keeping the packets for these. And you see inside it says Cncpt Crdz. I will carefully remove these and we'll take a look at them. Let's take them out, put the package aside. These have been wrapped in paper as well to keep them nice and fresh. So there is a Cncpt card, sort of little flyer card with their details on. Let's open up a bit of paper, and we'll turn these over so you can see what the card look like. So the first card out is the Sand Person. Lovely sort of looking quality card this. I do like the little rounded edges on them. They are printed on a matte paper, so not much shine there. You can just see if I rotate that, but it's a really nice quality. On the back you can see there is a puzzle as well, and I will show you that at the end. So we have the Sand Person there, Sand People. Then we have C-3PO. Then we have the Death Squad Commander. Then we have Han Solo. Chewbacca, I do like that picture of Chewbacca. I always like a picture of Chewbacca. Then we've got R2-D2, Grand Moff Tarkin, and then we have some concept art for the Kenner version of the TIE Fighter there, and again some concept art for the X-Wing. Again, very nice image. I do like these sort of concept art images. They make them sort of extra special cards. And now I'm going to show you what the puzzle on the back is. So let's turn all of these cards over and see if we can make the puzzle, see what that is. Hopefully it'll be nice and simple. Should be. It's only a 9-piece puzzle. Let me get that right. Almost got that piece wrong. That's the one in the middle. There we go. So it is a 9-piece puzzle of the collector's case by the look of it. Let me just line all of those up properly. So there you go, this is exactly like it would have been back when you were collecting the old Topps cards, because these all came with puzzles on the back. It's a nice little feature to add to them. And I do think the paper quality is very reminiscent of those old Topps cards. Let's open pack 1B. So here is pack 1B of the mini back series. Again, it's nice wax packet wrapper, so we can open that up. It'll have exactly the same inside it, the little flyer card, and the cards are wrapped in paper. These are all handmade, individually handmade, which is why these are as a limited run, because it obviously takes quite a lot of work to produce all of these. So let's open up this pack as well, and we can see what the cards are. So we have there Princess Leia Organa, we have the Jawa, we have Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, then we've got the Stormtrooper, the Tantive Trooper, which was a figure that was never made. We've got Obi-Wan Kenobi there, and then we've got a couple more of these concept images, which is the Land Speeder, and that's the double telescoping lightsaber. I do like those concept images particularly, they're very nice. Let's see what the puzzle is on the back of this set of the cards. So this card set has the collector's case image. That's another very sort of classic image. Nice simple puzzle to do, but really a nice feature on the back of these cards. So let's look at series 2 of these cards. Now, I did mention earlier that these are a limited edition set of cards, so there are only going to be 79 packs of each of these series 2 cards made. I know that John at Cncpt Crdz is also working on some other sort of limited edition runs. I think he's doing some Wonder Bread versions of the Star Wars cards, and also some Back to the Future ones. So if you miss out on these sort of first issues, then do check out his website, because he will be producing more as time goes on. But let's open this pack and we'll see what these ones look like as well. So again, it's a nice wax packet to open. It just feels so good. It's one of those things, it's something that you just remember as a child, the sort of waxy feeling of this paper. It never goes away. It's a strange sort of feeling to remember, but I really do remember sort of this texture. It's not something that you get anywhere else, I don't think. So again, we have the little card for Cncpt Crdz there, and everything is wrapped in paper. Let's see what images are on these ones. So there we have, that's Luke in his X-Wing pilot outfit. We have Walrus Man there. And then the next one is the Power Droid, Snaggletooth. I think there's 2 cards there. There's Boba Fett, that's a particularly classic card. Death Star Droid, Hammerhead, and then R5D4 and Greedo. Now we need to see what's on the back of these cards, as again there is a puzzle, so let's get these all lined up. This one looks like it's round the other way, portrait rather than landscape. So this one is a page from a comic advertising all of the figures that you can get in the set. Very nice again. Let's open the final packet. And here is the final pack. This is pack 2B, again with 9 puzzle cards. Let's get these open, see what the final images are on these ones. We've got Luke in X-Wing pilot gear, Walrus Man, Power Droid. These all appear to be the same as the previous ones. Oh no, look, they are different. Let's go through these individually so I can see. So there's Luke in X-Wing pilot, Walrus Man, Power Droid, Snaggletooth. But look, the Boba Fett card has turned to one of him from the cartoon series, so that is a different card there. Then Death Star Droid, Hammerhead, R5D4, and Greedo, and I think the puzzle on the back is different, so it does depend on what card set you get as to what version of Boba Fett you get. Let's have a see what this is on the back. Not quite sure what this image is, which way round it goes. Let's guess. I think that's going to be a landscape one. Looking at that, we'll rotate it. It's an image from the holiday special, so it must be Boba Fett. Where does he go though? I think that's where he must go. Let's have a look, see. Oh no, I've got this all horribly wrong, haven't I? That must be right. There we go. I think this is... No, I'm still wrong. Which way round is this? I'm confused. That's his other bit. Oh, I'm completely wrong. This is still a portrait one. No wonder I'm confused. I was doing it up the wrong way. There we go. That makes much more sense. See, even as an adult, these puzzles of 9 pieces can get confusing. So there we go. You've got the a nice shot of Boba Fett from the holiday special. Very nice. The cards and the packs are incredibly well made. There's an awful lot of work gone into creating all of these, and they do feel particularly nice. I like things like this that have that sort of retro feel to them. It just feels like you know, my childhood all wrapped up in one little packet of cards. Just the sort of the way that they all hold together and the wax texture on the packet. It really just brings back some great memories for me. As I say, these cards are limited edition, so once they're gone, they're gone. But I know, as I say, John is producing more of them, so do check out his Instagram page and also his website. I'll put links to both of those in the description for this video, and hopefully I will get some more of these in future and I can review some of the other cards that he is producing, because they just really are very lovely. And I think for people who want that sort of retro feel to something in their collection, these would be an ideal thing to get. So I hope you've enjoyed my review of these Cncpt Crdz mini back wax packets. They've certainly been fun to review. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.